Hi everyone, the Sparkle Goddess here with Crystallized by Sparkle, and today's FYI Friday post is all about staging. I'm going to walk you guys through 3 different staging techniques you can use to level up your listings. Your best staging will always come from natural sunlight. So here I have my shirt propped up on a simplistic background with a pair of jeans and a purse in what we call merchandising. That's what department stores use to sort of level up their items. So out here in natural sun, you can see the bling in full bling on your video, on your pictures, on your post. So of course, this is ideal for your staging. If you can do something like this is always the best look. It always gives the brightest view for your customers. So that is staging technique number 1. Let's move on to staging technique number 2. Staging technique number 2. If you don't have a great outdoor space, that's okay. You can use an indoor space. What I've done in the past is laid my items out onto my hardwood, make certain the area is clean first, of course. Get into a dimly lit room. You don't want a whole lot of light, and you want to stage again using your props, and then use your flash. When you use your flash, you get really good sparkle on your crystals. Not as great as sunlight, but it'll still be good enough for a nice photo op. So let's move on to staging number 3. And now for staging option number 3, which is my favorite actually. I really love the white fur background because it gives a really simplistic background, and the item that I'm trying to highlight really pops from that background. So once again, I have my merchandising props in the photo. I use my flash in a dimly lit room, and it comes out wonderfully. But you do have one more option that I can't show because I don't have one, but that would be to create a light box. And a light box will give you the same type of effect that you have here with the white background, except it will give you a staged negative background appearance. And you can fold your shirt, place it inside of your light box, take a photo, and it'll just be complete minimalistic, but it will look great. So these are your 3 options. I totally hope you guys enjoyed today's FYI Friday post and learned a little bit about staging. If you guys ever have a question, need some help, drop a line in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and happy crafting.